Lust is weakening you quietly, not all at once, but piece by piece. Your focus fades, your discipline slips, your inner calm disappears. Each time you give in, you tell your mind that impulse is in control, and control once lost is hard to reclaim. Here's what most people won't admit. Lust doesn't satisfy you, it empties you. It offers a moment of pleasure, then leaves you feeling smaller than before. Your brain thinks you've achieved something, but all you've done is drain your energy, your drive, your edge. Over time, you stop leading your life and start reacting to urges. Ask yourself this honestly. How can you build a strong future if you can't resist a screen? That isn't freedom, that's dependency. Most people fail because they fight lust with willpower alone, and willpower always runs out. You don't rise to your intentions, you fall to your environment. Your phone is always close. Late nights turn into endless scrolling, and you never pause to ask, what am I really escaping from? Your brain has been trained to chase easy dopamine. To win, you don't suppress the urge. You retrain the system, start by cutting access. Remove the triggers. Unfollow what feeds the habit. Make relapse inconvenient, then replace the behavior. When the urge hits, move. Stand up, walk, exercise, write. Shift your state immediately. And go deeper. Are you bored? Lonely? Avoiding something painful? Lust is often a distraction, not the real problem. Now imagine this instead. You wake up clear, grounded, in control. No guilt, no hiding. Just presence. When lust loses its grip, your energy returns. Your confidence rebuilds. You stop being ruled by impulse and start directing your life. You are not weak. You are simply untrained. Training starts now. Reclaim your focus. Reclaim your strength. Choose control. Choose discipline. Choose within.